Welcome everyone. This is the second video of the chapter 7 classes and objects. The topic of this video is access specifier. We have already discussed about class definition and declaration in the first video. We have used the access specifiers while defining a class. Now let us see the meaning of access specifiers and its types. Access specifier defines the scope of data. It provides protection to data members and member functions of a class. Different types of access specifiers are private, public, and protected. Now we will see the meaning of each access specifier and how it is accessible in a class. The first one is private. The data members and member functions defined in class is accessible only within the class. That is, the data members and member functions cannot be accessed from outside the class. The private members of a class is accessible only through the public member functions and the friend functions. These friend functions will be discussed later. The default or implicit access specifier in a class is private. Let us see the example of private access specifier. The keyword private, then colon, then define the data members. One data member is X and the another one is Y. X is of type integer and Y is of type float. Next one is public. The public data members and member functions are accessible from inside the class and outside the class. Usually all data members are defined in private access specifier and member functions in public access specifier. Example is public colon int a void get data void display. Here a is the data member and get data and display are the member functions. The third access specifier is protected. It is similar to private access specifier. That means the members of a protected access specifier cannot be accessed from outside the class. Protected members can be accessed by public member function, friend functions and derived classes, whereas private members can be accessed by public member function and friend functions. Its example is protected colon int X and float Y. Here X and Y are the data members. Look at the image. It is the syntax of class definition. It has the keyword class and the name of the class, that is date. Then open flower bracket. The first access specifier private. Its members are day, month and year. Those are the variables. And then public access specifier. It has two functions. One is input date, another one is display date. Then closing flower bracket and semicolon. Now let's see the important questions and answers from this topic. One question is, what are access specifiers? Explain any two with examples. It was asked in June 2015 and March 2018 for 5 marks. The answer is access specifiers defines the scope of data, and there are three types of access specifier: private, public and protected. The first one, private access specifier. You can write all the points what I told for private access specifier. Example of private access specifier. Then write about public access specifier. That means the data members and member functions are accessed from inside the class and outside the class. Then write its. Another question is it possible to access data outside a class? It was asked in March 2017 for 1 mark. The answer is yes. The data members and member functions which are defined in public access specifiers are accessible from outside the class. The topics for next video are accessing class members, defining member functions, and important questions and answers. Thank you.